What's up, YouTube? So this hunt was a late season hunt that we actually did with one of our subscribers, Rich. We met him right when we started making the channel, and he actually followed Brandon's fishing channel, and he went on ahead. He loves duck hunting, so he followed us again, and we finally got him out in the blind after talking for a few months about getting him out. So where we were at the small cow pond. We've done several hunts there that we have footage of, and we had a we had a southeast wind, and so we hunted the backside of the pond. We threw a rather large spread, and we didn't know what we were expecting. It was a cloudy morning, wind was heavy, it was probably 15 mile an hour, and just watch and see how we do. Dude, those were all widgeon. Jeez. Did we shoot? No, we shot two. Hell yeah. Dude, that's gonna be awesome on the footage. That big ass group coming in. Yeah. That jammed after my first shot. Brandon, you want to go get that one out there? Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Go shoot him real quick. Go ahead and pick him up. Alright guys, so after watching the video, we saw some birds flying that day, but it kind of sucks we didn't get the whole flock that we shot at. Actually, there was probably about 45 birds that came in, and I really wish the GoPro was just angled up a little more so you could have seen it. Unfortunately, we weren't shooting too great. We only dropped two, and the rest of the day, all the other birds that we saw were very skittish. Like I said in the intro, it was late season, and they just were finicky. It happens. But what was really cool about that big flock that came in, we had it was a mixed group. We had widgeon, gadwall, and mallards all in that group, and I believe we shot a widgeon and a gaddy, but man, if the GoPro was angled up right, you could see some big mallards in there. But all in all, we had Rich out, like I said earlier, and he really had a great time. We all it was a fun hunt. It was a fun morning, so I hope you guys liked the video. Subscribe, watch our other videos,